If you want to come to Ghana, contact me. I'll pay your ticket.
Forget everybody. Come in a day night, I be the confirm. I be the confirm. Come in a day night, I be the confirm. I be. What else? Be the poor ready. I'm gonna buckle. It's girl songs. Ski.
But if you come test me, you be there, I go show you true color. You be there, I go show you bill. Friday night, you go make her feel. But as far as money day there, rap playboy, you go make her.
In the morning, I will rise and praise the Lord. Give it to them. So I'm going to Ghana today, and I am so hyped. I just can't wait. Do you know what I'm looking forward to the most? It's when you step out the plane in Accra and the humidity hits you. Oh God, it's glory, glory. You know, like, yeah, I have arrived. I have arrived. They don't know anything yet. We need to get there early so we can wear our bags before. Because I don't want that embarrassment and the bag is over and then you're there opening zips and it's too embarrassing. I just can't do it again. I've elevated from that level. What time is it actually? It's now 7:30. My flight leaves at 10:30. 8, 9, 10. You should leave in the house by 8:15 maximum. The last time I was in Ghana, I was going to Ghana, which I was going by myself as well. Amsterdam, I'm not the best with directions, like finding my way around and stuff like that. But something told me to follow this lady. I know it's mad. I had a feeling that she was Ghanaian or she was going to Ghana, so I just sort of followed her through Amsterdam airport. Amsterdam is huge, so I sort of followed her through Amsterdam airport. And lo and behold, she ended up going to the gate that was for Ghana. So I'm gonna try and be like a human being and like find things out for myself. Apparently you're not meant to wear jeans for flights, my friend said. I don't care. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. We get today. I was gonna wear my natural hair out, but then I remembered that I'm gonna be on the plane for so long that you know the back of your hair starts in jiggy jiggy, miggy miggy. So wow. Tip trick for keeping your hats on. I tied an elastic band to it, just like you would your wigs, just so that it wouldn't come off. Vaseline, mirror. I'm supposed to have a mirror on me, just so I can look at my beauty. Mirror, check. Tissues in my pocket too. Check. Don't want too much inspiration. Guys, I don't know how to dress. Like, I try hard, but it's just something I'm working on. So, some days I look a bit nice, some other days I look like house girl. You have to just take me as I am. I got my jeans on from Topshop. I never buy expensive jeans like this, but my friend was like, nah, because you're taller, you might want to get Topshop jeans, because I was complaining about how jeans never fit my legs because I'm 5'9.5", representing the tall girl crew. The beautiful thing about it is you can pick your waist size and your waist and your leg length, so it fits my waist beautifully. It's just perfect.
The movies and cool, no still easy moving. Some style and flow like fluid. Go for the bad man, get on you. business, I no come to play.
I make a competition, she make me, and I make it, shut up,